Today I've got a really quick tip for how to mount a power strip or anything that has these little keyholes that makes it really easy and requires no measurements at all. We're going to flip this power strip over on its back so we have the keyholes exposed. Then use some masking tape or some painter's tape to cover up those two keyholes. From there, we're going to feel where the little skinny part of the keyhole is and then poke a little hole right in it. One there and one here. You can use a mechanical pencil, you can even just use the screws that you're going to drive in, whatever works. Now in my case, I'm going to mount this right here to the bottom side of this desk. And so I'm going to get it approximately positioned, take a look at where that needs to be, and then peel that off. Try to get it as close to the position as I can. Put that on there, and then I can drive my screws right into the two holes that we've created here. And with the screws in, you can then just tear the tape right off. And from there, just mount the power strip, slide it in position, and you're good to go.